All right, breaking news just coming in. CBI alleges Mamata government role in Sharda scam. This is a big allegation coming in. The CBI application in Sharda scam raises allegation that 6.21 crore rupees from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund was given to Tara TV, a Sharda Group company, which was used to pay employee salaries. This is a very big allegation coming in. The CBI is now inquiring about the use of Chief Minister's Relief Fund, and that inquiry has gone unanswered at the moment is what we're picking up. CBI's alleged involvement of high-level state authorities. Anisha Mathur is now joining us for the latest developments on this story. Anisha, walk our viewers through the latest that is coming in on this. It's a huge allegation coming in against the Mamata Banerjee government, and especially with the Chief Minister's Relief Fund being used to pay off the salaries of a subsidiary of one of the Sharda companies, if I'm not mistaken. If you could walk our viewers and correct me if I'm wrong there.
Well, Chaiti, this fresh application by the CBI, remember we were discussing this earlier as well, that the CBI has put in all the allegations that had been raised in the Sharda scam case so far in this fresh application, asking for custodial interrogation of former Kolkata Police Chief Rajiv Kumar. One of the allegations therein is that money from the CM Relief Fund was released to Tara TV, which was then used to pay salaries of the employees there. What is also interesting is that the CBI affidavit also says very clearly that in response to these queries, earlier the West Bengal government has given a reply even in the court, where it was said that employees of the Tara TV were being paid out of government funds in compliance with the Kolkata High Court order, where the employees had gone to court asking for help, and the court had ordered the government to pay. However, what the CBI has flagged is that the salary of the High Court had ordered that salary of employees should be paid from the available fund, and it nowhere states that employees of a private TV channel can be paid out of state funds excuse me, collected in the name of CM Relief Fund. So what the CBI has pointed out is that even if the government is claiming that this payment was done on court orders, why was the CM Relief Fund touched at all? And that is where the CBI is claiming that there seems to be some sort of a larger conspiracy and a nexus between the West Bengal government and the Sharda companies. So they have basically, all the allegations that they have been probing all this while, they have once again brought it to the notice of the court that these are the issues that we've been investigating, and we're not getting anywhere because we're not getting any cooperation from the West Bengal government or the Kolkata police. And that is why they've once again moved the Supreme Court, asking for custodial interrogation of former cop Rajesh Kumar. We'll have to wait and see what the court says about this. But remember, these are not new allegations. The CBI has once again said that the probe that they have been trying to conduct since 2014 is not being cooperated with. Back to you.
Oh, absolutely. Anisha, thanks for joining us. We'll have to wait and watch to see what the court responds, and especially we'll have to also wait and watch to see how the TMC responds to all these allegations as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.